Hello, this is Joel Medina, and this will be a really important video about crypto for anybody interested in crypto. This is a Bitcoin analysis. I think I've never done one in this channel in English. I used to do that a lot in my Spanish channel. Anyway, there's something really important going on with crypto, so I think it's important that I share this. I remained bearish on Bitcoin and pretty much all the cryptos since specifically November 2021 because of this break here. Now, if you checked on my Instagram, you noticed that I kept repeating about this level here and that this is a potential early entry here, this formation of the support. And I'm going to keep it quite simple, which is right now, Bitcoin, technically, I'm just going to share with you. Remember, you should not be taking trades or making financial decisions based on anything that I say here. I'm just an engineer, I'm not a financial advisor. And you should be making sure that you check with a professional before making absolutely any decision financially. Now, what I'm sharing is what I see here. What I see here is that Bitcoin is screaming buys, okay, from this point and on. This could be a potential bull trap, but you know, the most important thing that I do with my crypto trading is I play the long term. I go into the market. I only go in when I see a strong confirmations that we're gonna continue going up. Same thing I did in 2020 in June. I remember around June, July 2020. If you go to my old channel, you're gonna find that I just that around that month I said that I had a really high expectation that from that moment and on we were gonna continue going up. I went all in. Same thing here. Right now, there's a really strong confirmation on Bitcoin and pretty much the whole crypto market to go buy. Now, why am I recording this now? Because we're only 8 minutes away from the closure of the weekly candle. And if you notice on my Instagram, I kept mentioning that I wanted, especially Bitcoin to close above 43,200. Anything right now here, you could do early entries. Same way I did, just bought some got some entries from here. But that's okay. I don't really like, even if I didn't have any entries around here, I wouldn't feel like I wouldn't FOMO in. I would just start adding positions. So you can that's literally what I'm about to do now. From this moment and on is where I start adding on positions based on the probabilities of this continuing going up. Why? Because now we officially not only we have the support formed, but now we have the official break of the previous resistance on what it is the weekly structure. And I don't know if I've said this, but I mean I've said it in like during live streams of forex. So let me say it here, which is an official crypto video. To me personally, the weekly structure, is sacred in crypto. Sacred, completely sacred. So anything that is a bullish weekly formation is sacred. Meaning here was an early confirmation because this became support. This is the break of the previous support. So from here and on, the probabilities of of Bitcoin continuing going up are so high that now I'm willing to go hard at it. Right now, I'm willing to go in again a little bit stronger than before. Just the same way I did like over a year ago. So continuations here, the same thing that happened here. This when this happened here, I waited out all of this to go in like around here. So I really don't care that I missed this if I make sure that when I go in high probability. Same thing with this. I really don't care about this. I only care about now the retracement. Now we've had the break. Now I need retracements, and I can start even adding like from now and on. Like I could add a little bit here. If we go down to which levels I would be looking for on Bitcoin, I would be looking for, just look left, right? Now for the levels I do look for the daily structure. I look mainly on the weekly to make my decisions, and then for the entries daily. And if I were just trading, I would do 4 hours and below. But right now, this is like position trading pretty much. So I only focus on the daily. So if I reveal what I had drawn, this is what I had. So this is what I would be expecting around here. Let's say 43 500. A visit down to here, I would buy it for sure. A visit down to 40,500, I would buy it for sure. Actually, even down here, 40,000, I would buy that level for sure. Anything that doesn't fall below 37,000 is a good entry to buy, right? Anything, but here you have the levels really quite easy to read. Around here, and anything above here, even right there, should be good enough because now we have a lot of so the probabilities of Bitcoin reaching 52,000 are really really high. That's all I can say. Let's say the first level, if you want to be safer, would be 50,000, and then after 50,000, then 52,000, and and that way we continue going out. You can just look left and keep finding levels, but that's how it is, and that's it. It was like a short, simple video, which is right now just I'm just reading you what I see, and what I see is market is ready to go up. So it doesn't mean that this cannot become a bullish trap, a bull trap, and then this actually falls down and all of that. Yeah, yeah. Anything could happen. But right now, probabilities are not there for that. Probabilities are there for the entry and the buy orders. And that's what, as a trader, you're supposed to do. Just go with the probabilities. So I would start adding positions throughout the next week as we move up or even down. And my key level to watch out for would be 37,000. Below 37,000, danger, danger. Above 37,000, anything should be a good buy entry. Okay, even better if you wait for a support. But when this happens, I typically even buy the levels. But if we wait for a support, even better. So that's it. You can see that everything is bullish. Everything here is green. And look, Ethereum going the same route. Strong level here. And we're right there. Potential, reaction here. Maybe start to look for entries at 30.50. Even maybe a little bit above it. Maybe 30.80. 2800. All of those levels should be good levels. Same thing for Ethereum, right? Look at this. Beautiful closure above the previous resistance. So that's it. That's the update. Um, for today is officially a really major confirmation to buy or to go for the bulls on crypto and since November 2021. So this is a really important day. Just keep in mind that Bitcoin typically moves first before the other ones, even though they're moving together now. But whenever you see Bitcoin giving the hint, typically the other cryptos will follow. So that's also a hint, a hit, yeah, a hint for you if you're new to the market. So that's it. I hope you like this analysis. If you liked it, the analysis, just give it a like, subscribe if you're new, and I guess I'll see you in the next videos, either for Forex or even maybe another video for crypto. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. This is Joel Medina. Bye bye.